The Academy has completed 67 years in the service of the nation and is justifiably proud of its alumni, many who have held and are holding top positions of trust and responsibility not only in police forces of the state and center but also in non-police organizations. The Academy is proud of those alumni whose services have been recognized by the nation through the award of Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, medals for gallantry, for distinguished services, and meritorious services. The Academy is even more proud of those alumni who have laid down their lives at the altar of the duty.
जैसा कि दर्शकगण देख सकते हैं, किले के द्वार खुल चुके हैं। अब बिगुलर बिगुल बजाकर परेड को मैदान में प्रवेश करने का संकेत देंगे। भारतीय पुलिस सेवा के 67वें बैच के प्रशिक्षु अधिकारियों से सुसज्जित भव्य परेड किले के द्वार से मैदान में प्रवेश करती हुई। दर्शकों से अनुरोध है कि जोरदार तालियां बजाकर परेड का उत्साहवर्धन करें। देवियों और सज्जनों, आज की इस निदेशक परेड में कुल 149 प्रशिक्षु अधिकारी भाग ले रहे हैं, जिसमें 28 महिला अधिकारी, 6 रॉयल भूटान पुलिस के अधिकारी, 4 मालदीव पुलिस के अधिकारी तथा 5 नेपाल पुलिस के अधिकारी शामिल हैं। कुछ ही क्षणों में निशान का परेड मैदान में आगमन होगा। दर्शकों से अनुरोध है कि निशान के परेड मैदान में प्रवेश करते ही निशान के सम्मान में अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाएं तथा सभी वर्दीधारी सैल्यूट करें।
In a short while from now, Joint Director Basic Course, Sri Rajiv Sabharwal, will arrive. Sri Rajiv Sabharwal is an IPS officer of 1993 batch, born on Uttar Pradesh cadre. He served prominent districts of Uttar Pradesh. He held other important assignments as SP, Economic Offence Wing, Ladies and gentlemen, Joint Director Basic Course, Sri Rajiv Sabharwal is among us.
देवी और सज्जनों, कुछ ही क्षणों में संयुक्त निदेशक प्रशासन एवं वरिष्ठ पाठ्यक्रम श्री उमेश सर्राफ हमारे बीच पधारेंगे। संयुक्त निदेशक प्रशासन एवं वरिष्ठ पाठ्यक्रम श्री उमेश सर्राफ हमारे बीच पधार चुके हैं। कुछ ही क्षणों में अकादमी की निदेशक श्रीमती अरुणा एम बहुगुणा का आगमन होगा।
Academy's director, Miss Aruna M. Bahuguna, was born on 13 February 1957. She joined the service in 1979 and has the distinction of being the first woman IPS officer of Andhra Pradesh cadre. She has a very distinguished and meritorious service to her credit, where she held different positions in various capacities, from being an Assistant Director General of Intelligence Bureau to Director General of Special Protection Force. Another feather in her illustrious career is becoming the first woman director of this prestigious training institution. Recognizing her dedication towards the service, she was honored with Indian Police Medal on 15th August 1995 and President's Police Medal on 26 January 2005. Apart from her achievements in career, she pursued her hobbies in various fields like Western classic music, playing piano forte and guitar. Not only music, she is a member of Poetry Society, has been a reporter of school and college magazines, committee member of Sarvodaya Trust, enthusiastic debater, and a keen golfer. The trotting of horses is indicating the arrival of our director, ma'am. So, ladies and gentlemen, may I have your kind attention, please? The director of Academy, Miss Aruna M. Bahuguna, has arrived, and we all extend a very warm welcome to her.
परेड कमांडर परेड का निरीक्षण करने का अनुरोध करने हेतु मंच की ओर अग्रसर। अकादमी की निदेशक श्रीमती अरुणा एम बहुगुणा। श्रीमती अरुणा एम बहुगुणा का जन्म 13 फरवरी 1957 को हुआ। आपने 1979 बैच आंध्र प्रदेश काडर के भारतीय पुलिस सेवा की प्रथम महिला पुलिस अधिकारी होने का गौरव प्राप्त किया है। आपने भारत के विभिन्न संस्थानों एवं स्थानों पर कुशल नेतृत्व प्रदान किया है। आपकी उत्कृष्ट सेवाओं के आधार पर 15 अगस्त 1995 को आपको भारतीय पुलिस पदक एवं 26 जनवरी 2005 को विशिष्ट सेवा हेतु राष्ट्रपति पदक से सम्मानित किया गया है। वर्तमान में आप सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल राष्ट्रीय पुलिस अकादमी की निदेशक के पद पर कार्यरत हैं। 67वें बैच के भारतीय पुलिस सेवा के प्रशिक्षु अधिकारियों की निदेशक परेड का निरीक्षण करके मंच की ओर लौटती हुई सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल राष्ट्रीय पुलिस अकादमी की निदेशक माननीय सुश्री अरुणा एम बहुगुणा, आपका आभार व्यक्त करते हुए हम पुनः मंच पर आपका हार्दिक अभिनंदन करते हैं। दर्शकों से अनुरोध है कि तालियां बजाकर निदेशक महोदया का अभिनंदन करें। परेड कमांडर द्वारा परेड मार्च करने की अनुमति। कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा, खुशी के गीत गाए जा, ये जिंदगी है कौम की तो कौम पर लुटाए जा। बैंड की मधुर धुन पर मार्च करती हुई 67वें बैच के भारतीय पुलिस सेवा के प्रशिक्षु अधिकारियों की 6 टुकड़ियां और एक अश्वारोही दल कदम से कदम तथा हाथ से हाथ मिलाकर तेज चाल में आगे बढ़ते हुए 67वें बैच के नवयुवा प्रशिक्षु अधिकारी सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा धुन पर मार्च करते हुए अकादमी के प्रशिक्षु अधिकारी देवियों और सज्जनों, आज की इस भव्य निदेशक परेड का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं प्रशिक्षु अधिकारी डॉक्टर पार्थराज सिंह एन गोहिल। प्लाटून 1 में कुल 25 प्रशिक्षु अधिकारी हैं और इसका नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं प्रशिक्षु अधिकारी श्री अभिनव। प्लाटून 2 में कुल 22 प्रशिक्षु अधिकारी हैं और इसका नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं प्रशिक्षु अधिकारी श्री राजा बंठिया। प्लाटून 3 में कुल 22 प्रशिक्षु अधिकारी शामिल हैं और इसका नेतृत्व कर रही हैं प्रशिक्षु अधिकारी सुश्री भावना गुप्ता। निशान टोली का नेतृत्व संभाले हुए हैं निरीक्षक श्री टी के मोहंती। निशान को थामे हुए हैं निरीक्षक श्री टी रजनीकांत रेड्डी। प्लाटून 4 में कुल 22 प्रशिक्षु अधिकारी हैं और इसका नेतृत्व कर रही हैं प्रशिक्षु अधिकारी लेफ्टिनेंट यशी शोदेन। देवियों और सज्जनों, प्लाटून 5 में कुल 22 प्रशिक्षु अधिकारी हैं और इसका नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं प्रशिक्षु अधिकारी श्री एस सेल्वनागरथिनम। प्लाटून 6 में कुल 25 प्रशिक्षु अधिकारी हैं और इसका नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं प्रशिक्षु अधिकारी श्री गुरकरण सिंह। अश्वारोही दल में कुल 10 प्रशिक्षु अधिकारी भाग ले रहे हैं और इस दल का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं प्रशिक्षु अधिकारी श्री दिनेश गुप्ता। देवियों और सज्जनों, आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत इस भव्य बैंड प्लाटून का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं अकादमी के उप निरीक्षक श्री बी गोपाल। कड़ी खाकी वर्दी में सुसज्जित, समाज सेवा की भावना से ओतप्रोत भारतीय पुलिस सेवा के नवयुवा प्रशिक्षु अधिकारी। परेड समीक्षा क्रम में आगे बढ़कर पुनः निदेशक महोदया को सलामी देगी।
Now, the medals and trophies will be awarded to the faculty and staff for their meritorious service. So I request our Honorable Director Ma'am to give away the medals and trophies. Police Medal for Meritorious Service on the occasion of Republic Day 2014. Shri Randhir Singh, Inspector. Shri Aditya Narayan Singh, Head Constable, ADI. Now, Police Medal for Meritorious Service on the occasion of Independence Day 2014. Shri Gopesh Agarwal, IPS Deputy Director, Establishment. Shri PP Pramod, Assistant Commandant, Senior Course. Shri K. Shankar, Assistant Commandant, Administration. Shri Ashok Kumar Singh, Head Constable, ADI. Shri Chandrakanta, Head Constable, GD. Shri Rami Reddy, Head Constable, GD. Now, Director's Commendation and Insignia for Uniformed Personnel. Dr. Nikhil J. Gupta, Deputy Director, Administration and Senior Course. Shri Arvind Yadav, Assistant Commandant, Works. Mr. Khan Salim Ahmed, Assistant Commandant. Shri P.K. Pradeep Kumar, Inspector, Ministerial. Miss M. Wahida, Sub-Inspector, Ministerial. Shri P. Suresh Kumar, Sub-Inspector, Ministerial. Shri Gurmeet Singh, Sub-Inspector, Ministerial. Shri T. Vinod Kumar, Assistant Sub-Inspector, Ministerial. Shri Deepu D, Assistant Sub-Inspector, Ministerial. Shri Jai Kishan, Assistant Sub-Inspector, Ministerial. Shri G.S. Chundawat, Head Constable, ADI. Shri V. Surendra, Constable, GD. Shri R. Vijay Kumar, Constable, Driver. Shri Girendra Jha, Constable, GD. Now, Director's Commendation and silver-plated insignia with 2 stars. Shri G.S. Rao, Deputy Director, Works. Shri Tejpal Dabar, Deputy Commandant. Shri G. Abaya, Head Constable, ADI. Shri A. Ram Reddy, Head Constable, GD. Shri T. Venkateshan, Head Constable, GD. Shri Rakesh Babu, Head Constable, Band. Shri R. Narayan Reddy, Head Constable, GD. Shri S. Dayashankar, Head Constable, Driver. Shri M. Rami Reddy, Head Constable, GD. Shri P. Dhanunjaya Rao, Head Constable, GD. Shri S. D. Harinath, Head Constable, GD. Shri D. M. Reddy, Head Constable, GD. Sri Rangaswamaya, Head Constable, Driver. Sri C. Shanmugam, Head Constable, GD. Sri Neeraj Kumar, Head Constable, Riding. Sri P. Ramanjanelu, Constable, GD. Sri J. Shobhan Babu, Constable, Band. Now, Director's third commendation and gold-plated insignia. Sri M. K. Nayak, Sub-Inspector, GD. Sri B. Gopal, Sub-Inspector, Band. Sri P. Subbarao, Sub-Inspector, Riding. Sri J. P. Vardhan Rao, Head Constable, Band. Sri Gajendra Singh, Head Constable, Riding. Sri Guman Singh, Head Constable, Riding. Now, Director's first commendation roll. Sri C. N. Hemant, Senior Librarian Information Assistant. Sri Babu Ram Rana, Cameraman. Sri R. Venkatesh, MTS. Now, Director's second commendation roll. Sri P. Poleshwar Rao, Stenographer. Sri Y. Pandaya, Carpenter. Now, Director's third commendation role. Sri Prakash Walke, Library and Information Officer. Sri Y. Pandayan, Inspector, Riding Master. Sri Satyaveer Singh, Sub-Inspector, Riding. Now, the trophies will be awarded to the IPS officer trainees for their outstanding performance during the basic course training. Sri Manjunath TC for 1964 batch of IPS officers trophy for proficiency in the subject of police in modern India. Sri Manjunath TC. Ms. Bhavna Gupta for the 1957 batch of IPS Officers Trophy for Police Leadership and Management. Ms. Bhavna Gupta. Mr. Sachin Sharma for NICFS Trophy for Excellence in Forensic Science. Mr. Sachin Sharma. Shri Deepak Parekh for Martyr A.S. Atwal Trophy for Special Law. Shri Deepak Parekh. Shri Raja Bantia for Martyr Ajit Singh Trophy for Criminal Procedure Code. Shri Raja Bantia. Ms. Aparna N for Martyr G. Pardesi Naidu Trophy for Indian Penal Code. Ms. Aparna N. Lieutenant Yashi Chaudan for the 55th batch of Senior Course Officers Trophy for the best turnout. Lieutenant Yashi Chaudan. Shri Raja Bantia for Martyr Ravi Kant Singh Trophy for Indian Evidence Act. Shri Raja Bantia. Mr. M. Shri Abhinav for Ashish Singhal Memorial Prize for English Debate. Mr. M. Shri Abhinav. Dr. Gurkaran Singh for KK Shaw Trophy for Excellence in Scientific Aids to Investigation. Dr. Gurkaran Singh. Shri Raja Bantia for BP Singhal Trophy for Hindi Elocution. Shri Raja Bantia. Lieutenant Yashi Chaudan for Shri P.M. Das Memorial Trophy for Adventure Sports. Lieutenant Yashi Chaudan. Mr. M. Shri Abhinav for the BSF Trophy for Proficiency in Outdoor Subjects. Mr. M. Shri Abhinav. Ms. Bhavna Gupta for Shri Teja Singh Memorial Trophy for Criminology. Ms. Bhavna Gupta. Ms. Aparna N for Suprabha Dev Memorial Prize for English Debate. Ms. Aparna N. Shri Parthraj Singh N. Gohil for the Commandant P.L. Mehta's Cup for Best Performance in Periodic Evaluation. Shri Parthraj Singh N. Gohil. Now, Shri Surinder Nath Trophy for Best Squad goes to squad number 3 and will be received by D.I. Mahesh Kumar Nitharwal. Thank you, ma'am. Now, I request our Honorable Director, ma'am, to address the parade.
Joint Director Shri Umesh Saraf, Shri Rajiv Sabarwal. In your early days of your career, you will be managing subdivisions and the front line. This is your chance to get the front line to imbibe the culture of transparency. The old days of brute force methods will not work. Any indiscretions by your force will need to be answerable by you to your superiors, who will in turn have to answer to the larger society. You may have read that some states in India are using body cameras to monitor the behavior of the police force. This will require us to stay alert. The third theme is around sensitivity. The only way to survive in an age of technology-driven hyper-transparency is to bring about deep cultural and behavioral change around sensitivity. We can't behave one way when we think nobody is watching and another way when we think we are being watched. The contradictions will be exposed. In law enforcement, there will inevitably be false positives. When we use excessive force in the middle of a heated moment and upon reflection realize we shouldn't have. These errors will continue to occur during your career. However, one way to reduce your error rate and also be given the benefit of doubt when you make an error is to show empathy and sensitivity to those we interact with. One of the reasons the riots and backlash is so severe in Ferguson, USA, is because the larger society believes that white officers have double standards and are insensitive to black citizens. The situation in India is far more complicated with myriad religions, castes, communities, and groups. Even when the police is fair, we are accused of bias. And if indeed we are biased, then it is magnified even more. These biases need to be eradicated if we need to live in a more sensitive, technology-driven, transparent society of the future. As you prepare for your passing out parade, remember The Academy will always be interested in your progress and will always wish you success. Give your best to your service and country and always wear your khaki with your head held high. Our friends from Bhutan, Nepal and Maldives, you carry with you the warm wishes of all of us here at the National Police Academy in India to your families and countries. Good luck and God bless to each of you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am.
दर्शकों से अनुरोध है कि निशान के सम्मान में अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाएं तथा सभी वर्दीधारी सैल्यूट करें। There's an announcement, please. All the medal winners with their spouse, all the faculty members with their spouse, and all the staff members are requested to join for tea at the cafeteria lawns. There's an announcement, please. All the medal winners with their spouse, all the faculty members with their spouse, and all staff members are requested to join for tea at the cafeteria lawns.